Hello YouTube, the Two Cools 2. This is update 1 of the snowstorm that's in NYC, November 7th through the 8th, 2012, and actually the whole Northeast, because it is in Northeastern. Yeah, so my first video of the storm was about around 2:30. I uploaded it at 3:30 with its final edits and everything. You guys saw the snow starting to come down, and now it's 8:30, I believe, or 8 o'clock, 8:30. See quite a amount of the snow fell. There was a lot in the streets, the sidewalk, people started shoveling inside. Garbage trucks to install the machine. Snow out of the way, savvy. Snow on this car. Since I don't think anyone tried to wipe it off. Let's see. It's inches. Yeah, sorry for taking the camera. Sorry guys. Okay, let me see. Alright, so far it's 2 inches of snow, and we got all until tomorrow. It's going to continue snowing all night. You see the wind is blowing snow around. And this is very early snow, so what can this tell us for our winter season? We get more snow like this. Who knows when the next storm will be. It's supposed to be pretty warm next week, so I don't think it'll be next week. This is nice early snow. I like weather. It's real nice. I will be doing a video during around midnight, 1 o'clock, depending on up. I won't upload it at that time. I'll upload it next morning. I'll do a video for the morning. I won't be going to school because wisdom teeth are growing and it's very painful. Yeah, I won't get into that. It's not about wisdom teeth. Yeah, so yeah, quite an amount of snow fell. 2 inches. I'm just walk down a block. It is very cold out. See the water starting to turn to ice over here. Right now it's a bit of a slush. It will turn to ice. Like that. Oh yeah, my first video of the snowstorm, it just got offered to be on a TV, on a weather station. It's not in New York though, so I won't see it. I'll probably see it on a channel. They're on Weather Nation. Apparently it's a weather station for some other states. I forgot what name. Yeah, look at that snow. It's blowing. We'll walk over there. The wind is really blowing here. It's real open. These have a nice color of snow, the trees. Kind of feels like it's Christmas. This I will be posting updates. We had a sign up. It's getting real cold. Almost fell. Oh, look at that. Cold. Go inside, get some iced tea or hot chocolate. Don't like coffee. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my updates of this storm. Rate, comment, subscribe. Check out my other weather videos right here on my channel. Bye, YouTube.